Hello and welcome to the Spring Security 0 to Mastery course. This is the full in-detail course on Spring Security, which is one of the most popular framework focusing on truly security when we are developing web or standalone applications using either Spring MVC, REST services or microservices patterns in Java. Spring Security is a powerful and highly customizable authentication and authorization framework for developing Java applications that is available in today's world. Like any other Spring projects, the real power of Spring Security not only lies in its features but also on how easily we can adopt and extend its features to meet our custom security requirements inside our web application. This is the course which is developed for students, developers, architects who are interested in learning how to handle and solve the most common security related requirements and challenges inside the enterprise web applications. This course will also answer your most common security related questions like how to secure my web application or mobile application or REST services, how to store my user passwords, how to encrypt them, decode them, how to manage them using Spring Security features like password encoders, and at the same time how to maintain different users, roles, authorities inside my application, along with the industry best standard features like making your user to log in only once instead of asking him to log in again and again for each request that he is going to make to the backend system. It also covers how to achieve fine-grained security using roles, authorities, and method-level securities that is available inside Spring Security Framework, along with the industry standard topics like CSRF attack, CORS restrictions, what are tokens, how they can be leveraged inside authentication and authorization systems, what are JWT tokens, what is OAuth2, and how to prevent most common security-related attacks inside your web applications. This is the course agenda that we'll be covering in detail in the entire course. Initially, we'll start with Spring Security core features like what are important packages, interfaces, classes, and annotations available in Spring Security Framework along with the project setup using Spring Security Framework. Post that, we will also speak about what is authentication, what is authorization, how to configure it inside your application, and how to apply restrictions to your end path URLs or APIs, and how to configure roles and authorities, along with what are the different strategies that Spring Security provides when coming to passwords like storing them, encrypting them, decoding them. We will be also looking at the global method security, which is a feature provided by Spring Security on how to apply security and authorization rules on top of your Java methods. And at last, we'll be covering the most common security hot topics like what is OAuth2, what is CSRF, CORS, what are JWT tokens. So all those industry standard vulnerabilities will be discussed throughout this entire course. And again, I want to highlight that this course is not only about theory. While we are discussing section by section each theory topic of Spring Security, parallelly we'll be building an application throughout all these milestones, right from creating a basic Spring Security project and enhancing to have a login page for it and implement authentication, authorization rules inside it, and configuring passwords, method level security inside it, and at last we'll also build an application using OAuth2 framework by pointing to the GitHub authorization server, where our project will point to the GitHub authorization server to allow user to use his GitHub credentials to log in into our application. This is the sample Easy Bank application that we are going to build throughout this course, where it will have a login page and other free form pages like contact us, notices, where users can access them without authentication and authorization, and at the same time if they want to use the secure features or protected resources that are available inside our web application, then definitely they have to go through login page where post they can see their transaction details, loans, cards that they have inside our application, but all these features will have authentication and authorization applied inside them. And at last, we'll also build a simple application where as soon as you try to access a protected resource inside it, we'll be redirected to GitHub to use our credentials inside our application that we are going to build. So this way we'll be also exploring OAuth2 framework inside this course. With this, I'm very excited onboarding you onto this course. Thank you so much for choosing this course, and I hope you will learn what you are expecting from this course. Thank you and see you in the next section. Bye.